Hello everyone, welcome back to my series of videos where I solve each one of LeetCode's problems. Starting from the easy ones, going all the way to the hard ones. It looks like I've solved this problem before sometime in my life, but it's been a long time ago. Let's check the submissions. April 2020, so I don't remember this. So 136, single number. Given a non-empty array of integers, every element appears twice except for one. Find that single one. Let's implement a solution with a linear runtime complexity and use only constant extra space. Okay. I don't know how to solve this, like just looking at it at a glance. So 2, 2, 1, yeah, the one constant extra space. Well, I'm just gonna solve it in the way that I feel like it's the dumb way. 136 single number. And why do I like solving things the dumb way first? First of all, the dumb way might be the smart way. You never know. And at least you have something that works, and then you just need to improve it or just rethink it. But having something that works and is not efficient is better than having nothing. Pass. And that solution. Dot single number. And nums was 2, 2, 1. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I am going to I think I should iterate over, but I need to iterate over the whole paint. So in this case, I'm going to iterate over the array. I have to iterate over the entirety of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1. Okay, the number here is 4. That's the one that we don't see twice. What we can do is we can have a set. No, because I think we can also have a number 3 times. Let's look. Every element appears twice except for one. Oh, okay. So it can only be twice, cannot be 3 times. So I think what we can do is we can use a set. So my set is a set of integers. Set. And what I can do is for num in nums, if num not in my set, then my set dot add num. Else we remove it. My set dot remove num. And what's going to do? If it finds, let's say it finds the 1, it adds it. Then it finds the 1 again and removes it. So we know that it only appears twice. This one will be the last one standing because it's the only one. So what we need to do is return my set dot, I don't even know, like list of my set 0, guess. Print, run this. Yeah, found 1. All right. Let's try this one. Okay, found 4. Cool. Submit. Let's see. Okay, it worked. Did worse than I did um, in 2020. This was quarantine, I guess, and I was feeling bored. Should have done all of these videos during quarantine. That would be a great way to pass the time. Accepted. Okay, let me check what I did back then. Really? This does it better? I was trying to delete it. If it's not there, then I just add it, and I'm using a dictionary. And then I just returned, well, the same thing, the values and the first index. Wow, this did better? I'm surprised. Let me just submit again. Hmm. I guess using set is not very efficient. That's what I can conclude. I'm just going to submit again and see what we get. Well, no. Maybe we're getting. I just submitted my old version and I'm getting. Well, memory wise, it's similar. Time wise, it's similar to the. No, okay. So let's say that LeetCode has reduced the processing power of their instances to run code. Because I just ran the same code from 2020 and it was way faster than it is now. So I can say that the solution that I did now is as good as the one that I did, or maybe even better. Hope you guys like this. Bye.